Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful, easy and magical baby blanket pattern. Why I said magical? Because this pattern is prominent on both sides. You can see the front view of that has a prominent texture, and the back view of that. This pattern is made by only one row. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I start my work with a slip knot and then start chaining. These foundation chains should be a multiple of 5 plus 2. So make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And repeat groups of 5 chains, and when these chains reach the desired width, add 2 chains. I made 37, and now skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain and go to 5th chain from the hook. Make 1 double crochet into that, and again 1 double crochet into same chain, and after these 2 double crochets make 2 chains and 2 double crochets into same chain again. We made 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet into same chain. Now skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and make this group into 5th chain again. Here make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet into same chain. One more time. Skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make this group into 5th chain. 1 and 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 and 2 double crochet into same chain, and repeat this sequence. And after each group, skip next 4 chains and make this group again into 5th chain until the end. After last group, I have 2 chains left. Skip the first and make 1 double crochet into the last chain, and now row 1 is finished. Make 3 chain and turn the work to start row 2. In this row, we have to make 1 treble crochet, so yarn over twice and insert hook into this chain where made this group into that. Insert hook into that and insert hook into this chain to space between these 2 doubles and 2 doubles, and yarn over, pull up a loop and make 1 treble crochet. Then make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet into this chain to space. 1 double crochet, 2, make 2 chains and again 2 double crochet into same space. And after making this group, make another treble crochet, yarn over twice, and now insert the hook into this space, chain to space, and insert the hook into same chain, yarn over and make 1 treble. We made 1 treble before this group and 1 treble after the group. Okay, again yarn over twice, go to next group and insert the hook into this chain here and into this chain to space and make 1 treble into that. Then make 1 group of 2 doubles, 2 chains and 2 doubles into chain to space. 1, 2. 2 chain, again 1 and 2 doubles into same chain space. And now make another treble crochet into same space, insert the hook into chain 2 space and into this chain and make 1 treble. One more time, make 1 treble into this chain and chain 2 space. And then make 1 group of 2 doubles, 2 chains and 2 doubles into chain 2 space, 1, 2, 2 chain and 1 and 2. Again, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the chain 2 space and this chain and make 1 treble and complete this sequence until the end of the row. Now at the end of row 2, after last group, make 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of these beginning chains and row 2 is finished. Now make 3 chains to start next row and turn the work, and we have to repeat row 2. First make 1 treble crochet into this space. Insert the hook into this chain 2 space of row 1 and under chain 2 space of row 2 and yarn over, make 1 treble crochet. Then make 1 group of 2 doubles, 2 chains and 2 doubles into chain 2 space of previous row. Then make another treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook under this chain 2 space of previous row and chain 2 space of 2 rows below and make 1 trebles here. One more time, yarn over twice, insert the hook into chain 2 space of 2 rows below from next group here and into chain 2 space of previous row. Make 1 treble crochet and then make next group into chain 2 space of previous row, 1, 2 doubles, 2 chains and again 1 and 2 doubles into same space. Then again another treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook into chain 2 space of previous row and chain 2 space of row 1, 2 rows below. Make 1 trebles here and the second group is ready and we have to repeat that. You can see this side and that's 3D such as other side. You have to repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Now at the end of row 3, make 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of beginning chains of previous row and row 3 is finished. And start next row again with 3 chains, turn the work and repeat row 3. Make 1 treble into this space, insert the hook into this chain 2 space of 2 rows below and chain 2 space of previous row. Make 1 treble here. Then make 1 group of 2 doubles, 2 chains and 2 doubles into first chain 2 space of previous row. And then again, make 1 treble into same space, but insert the hook first into chain 2 space of previous row, then into chain 2 space of 2 rows below. And repeat that work at the end, and after that make 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of beginning chains at the end of this row, and we have to repeat this row 3 several times until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. I made that row and you can see the front view of the pattern and the back view of that. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.